Hi, I'm Chetan. I'm 29 years old and I'm from Bangalore. I am a D6 complete spinal cord injured, which means I have no sensation below my chest. So, I have been injured 4.5 years ago in a I was involved in a road traffic accident. I was dependent for all these 4 years. I need to have a caretaker or someone taking care of me for the transfers, and I wasn't able to transfer even from the bed to a wheelchair. So I did go to a rehab for some time before the COVID, but that didn't take me too far. And I chose Chandigarh Spinal Rehab all the way from Bangalore. In the beginning I was a little skeptical to come here, but yeah, it did prove me that I made the right decision. When I came here, like I said, I was dependent on somebody even to transfer from my bed and the washrooms and everything. So now that I came here, I had this goal in my head that I had to be independent at some point. So that decision made me come till here all the way. So while coming here, I had a few things in my mind that I need to learn how to balance myself, the sitting balance. I need to learn better transfers. In fact, transfer on my own from the bed to the chair, chair to the car. I also wanted to learn how to drive a car, and the reason behind all this is that I am a student of psychology right now. I'm doing my post graduation, and I will be going to a full-time college to do my PGDM of PsyD. So I had to be independent from next year. So I made the choice of coming here. So after coming here, yeah, it was a tedious task coming here all the way. But yeah, it did find me helpful. The therapists were good in teaching me about the transfers. It was a more kind of a practical approach that I had here. And my analysis was done and I started doing my push-ups and transfer. So these gave me an independence. Like, though I am here for a short time of 1 month, I am able to do my transfers on my own. I learned how to do the transfer from my chair to a commode, my daily activities, and the nursing station was good at helping me how to come do the CICs on my own. I did come here with an indwelling catheter in the beginning, which involved a urine bag and a catheter that was there with me full time. The CIC gave me good level of independence and it did boost my confidence. So, and I will be also coming back for another swimming and my advanced feature skills. Although I know how to do I knew how to do a wheelie, but I couldn't hold it much. So coming here taught me also how to hold a wheelie, how to maneuver in tight places, do a ramp, for example. These are all challenging things that are not taught in all the rehabs that I've seen so far. So yeah, coming here was a good experience. The nurses were kind, there was good stuff. The food also was good. So all over, it is pretty engaging and hectic, but this is what I came for. I was more of an indoor person, but now I look forward to go out with all the skills that I've learned. And Chandigarh is a good place. I suggest my fellow spinal cord injured people who are there not to consider themselves as patients, because there is a place like this where you can get rehabilitated. If I can learn my independence, so can you. Thank you.